One of the most refreshing, nutrient-rich and cooling vegetable out there is cucumber. It has a high water content that helps to regulate the water balance in the body and is highly recommended to maintain your health as well. Cucumber keeps your skin hydrated while improving elasticity and firmness. With lack of hydration in our skin, we can see the visible differences which might look dry and flaky and prone to wrinkles and fine lines. Cucumber contains plenty of nutrients and vitamins that give an upper hand when it comes to skin care. And vitamins play a major role in our overall health and are effective in supporting our skin health too when applied topically. Loaded with antioxidants, they help to fight oxidative damage caused by free radicals. It's also enriched with vitamin C, folic acid, and caffeine acid, which are often linked to citrus fruits. It's true that pollution, dirt, and stress can take a toll on our skin and can impact the natural sheen on our faces. Cucumber can help to infuse life in the dull and lifeless skin while rejuvenating it from within due to its hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumber is packed with skin benefiting nutrients and vitamins that ease and soothe most skin irritations. You can rub or place slices of cucumber on your skin and lie down for 10 minutes. Once done, you can splash water and apply a light gel cream. Cucumbers have 96% water content, so there's no harm as it provides a cooling and refreshing effect on the skin. It contains a protein that helps in skin tightening and makes your skin look smooth and supple. Flax seeds contain lignans and antioxidants that help in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles. Also, the fatty acids in the flax seed help in keeping the skin nourished, hydrated, and moisturized. The inherent quality of the flax seeds also helps in keeping the skin tight and lessens sagging with age. Flax seeds are not only amazing for your body but also for your skin. Flax seeds come under superfoods and are called the rejuvenation of life seeds as they help in providing nutrients to our body, both from inside and outside. Flax seeds can do wonders to brighten the tone of your skin. It has antioxidants and a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids that can lighten scars, making your skin look more smooth and radiant. Let's try this efficacious beauty hack of these two miraculous superfoods. I'm taking one cucumber and I will extract the juice out of it. The ratio between cucumber juice and flax seeds should be 1:3, which means 1 part flax seeds and 3 parts cucumber juice. Add flax seeds to the cucumber juice and leave it till A thick gel is formed. I left it for about 5 hours here. Extract the gel by straining it. Add vitamin E capsule. Depending on the quantity you're making it, you can add the capsule. I'm adding 1 capsule here. Make a fresh batch every week and try to use it regularly at least for a month to see good results. Store it in a clean, airtight container.